May I help you with your luggage?
Yes, thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
After you, ma'am.
Are you checking in today, ma'am, sir?
Yes, we have a reservation under the name of Hallelujah.
Good morning, sir. Please proceed to the reception desk. Just I to complete your check-in and we'll be right behind you.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am, sir, and welcome to Isabel. How may I help you?
Good morning. We have a reservation under the name of Hallelujah.
Great. May I have your complete name, please?
Hazel Anna Julia.
Thank you. Just wait for a few minutes while checking your reservation details.
Sure. Hallelujah. You'll be staying in room 304 at the restroom with minibar. Breakfast is served from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. and checkout is at 12 noon onwards. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes. Here's your room key, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and have a nice day.
Very much.
Yeah, allow me to escort you to your room.
And how's your flight, ma'am, sir?
It was great. Also, being tired.
Good to hear that, ma'am, sir. And we sure you can relax and enjoy your stay with us.
Sounds good.
Here we are, ma'am, sir. And by the way, I'm Verbo John Paul and I will be the one to throw you in your room.
Okay, thank you.
Please allow me a moment to show you around, ma'am. Please follow me. So over here is the mini bar. It's full stop and items are chargeable to your room. Proceed to your room. And can I borrow first the key to open the door for you, ma'am, sir?
Yes, sure.
Thank you. Cut. After you, ma'am. Here's your room, ma'am. So this is your cabinet. You can store here your personal belongings. Also your bed, double bed with a lamp. Also, ma'am, we are here your televisions, and beside here is the remote control. Also, ma'am, sir, here's your closet. You can store here your clothes and anything else. And we have here a hanger and shelves. Also, your air condition. You can adjust the temperature here. Here's the remote control. And you can now proceed to your bathroom, ma'am, sir. So, where's your bathroom, ma'am, sir? It is equipped with great amenities like shampoo, toothpaste, and other amenities. Here's your bathtub, ma'am, sir. And here's your towel. Okay. And here's your telephone, ma'am, sir. And if you need the room service, just dial 0510. And for the housekeeping department, just dial 06 and 0.
Mr. Bellboy, you're so very hospitable.
You're welcome, ma'am, sir. If you need assistance anytime, just dial 070 and the front office can assist you. Is there anything else, ma'am, that can I assist you?
Can you please unpack my luggage, please?
Is there anything else that can I assist you?
No, that's all. Thank you very much, Mr. Bellboy. You're so very hospitable.
Service!
Good morning, ma'am, sir. We brought your breakfast.
Good morning. Just put there on my table, please.
Okay, ma'am, is there anything else that we can help you?
Nothing at all.
Okay, ma'am, sir, enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Your service. Good morning, Mr. and Miss Sanoya. I'm here to assist with your takeout. May I take your luggage?
Yes, thank you. We're ready.
Follow me, ma'am, sir.
Okay.
Good morning, Monster. Thank you for staying with us. Mrs. Hanoya, your checkout is now complete. May I have the rating, ma'am?
Sure, dear. Yes, thank you very much. It was a pleasant stay.
I mean, help to get a taxi, ma'am, sir.
Yes, please.
Okay, ma'am, sir. Please follow me, ma'am, sir.
Okay.
Wakas. The taxi, ma'am, sir, is over here in the parking area. Thank you for staying with us. Have a safe travel, ma'am, sir.
Thank you for your help.
It was a pleasure. Have a nice day, ma'am, sir. Say it.